The Deputy Commissioner and District Magistrate Gopalganj. Kind attention, Mr. Arifuzzaman, NDC. Subject: Prayer for total cooperation in land mutation, government survey, identification, demarcation, and fencing of inherited property approximate 200 decimal across 4 Mauza under Gopalganj Sodor Upazila without violating law and order. Respected Sir, I, Mohammad Shuzanur Rahman Shuzan, son of late Habibur Rahman Habil Sikdar and Jamila Begum, a resident of odd number 14, Sonakur, Gopalganj Poroshobha, Gopalganj, most respectfully state the following. Number 1. Ownership. The land described below is my named property, legally inherited though my mother, who gained it from my late father. Total land amount is approximately 200 decimal, 2 acres. Number 2. Location of land, 4 Mauza and under Gopalganj Sodor Upazila. Number 1. Teguria Mauza, Sonakur Mauza, Chor Sonakur Mauza, Gobra Mauza. Number 3. Documents in my possessions. I have all necessary papers including CS, RS, BA, SA, records, original land deed and certain deed, sub-deed. However, I am not familiar with land property matters and physically do not know the exact location or boundaries of most of my land. Number 4. Prayer for cooperation as a complete package. Firstly, complete mutation of the land in my name as per law. Secondly, a government surveyor be appointed to physically identify the land in all 4 Mauzas. Thirdly, if any unlawful discrepancy or mistake, mismatches in records, illegal occupants, wrong entry is found during survey, proper lawful steps be taken to correct it. Fourthly, after identification, the land be demarcated with clear boundary markers and fencing like international border style to prevent future disputes. I repeat, I pray for cooperation as a total complete package. As a general citizen, and I am praying. Firstly, complete mutation of the land in my name as per law. Secondly, a government surveyor be appointed to physically identify the land in 4 Mauza. Thirdly, in all unlawful discrepancy for or mistakes in records, mismatch in records, if illegal occupants, wrong entry is found during survey, proper lawful step be taken to correct it. Fourthly, after identification, the land be demarcated with clear boundary markers and fencing like international border style to prevent future disputes. Number 5. Undertaking. I request all this action to be carried out strictly within the existing laws and laws of Bangladesh, without any violation, breach of peace, or violation of law and order. I am submitting this application in person along with all original and photocopy land documents for your kind perusal and necessary action. I humbly pray to your esteemed office to issue necessary orders to the Assistant Commissioner Land, Gopalganj Sodor, and the concerned survey official to provide me with the full cooperation as prayed above. Dear sir, this application I dropped both mail and physically from 30 March 2026. After 3 months, I reminder day after yesterday also. But in these 3 months, no physical contact by me because I am physically ill. Otherwise, I physically contact with you. That's why reminder with you by mail, both not only you but also your official others correspondence personnel. March 30, that's been 3 months ago. After that, day after yesterday also reminder. Along with ICC informing one of my brother ex-parliamentarian also. Along with yesterday, day after yesterday, and today, I call you in your official mobile number, but can't any response or respond. So, I humbly request, where I drop my documents, what should be done by me? I am physically illness, I am staying in Dhaka. It's your department, not your works, but your department. You are the liable person of the head. So I am requesting, please respond and cooperate me. My man is waiting for all documents and papers to drop. Why drop, they don't know. Hopefully you understand, and your cooperation is highly appreciated as a government employee, as a public servant. I am a general citizen of Bangladesh. Thank you so much.